Whenever we are going to design infrastructure, it may be traditional data center or a cloud-based solution. So you must have to be focused on your customer or employer requirements. That is the core, or you can say always a best strategy, because as IT professional, it's our core responsibility to design a kind of infrastructure which is solution oriented. So the same philosophy goes for all cloud services. It might be compute, networking, security, storage, or any other cloud service. When we talk about cloud storage services, so it means that it's all about customer data, and data comes in different shapes and sizes, and no single solution, or you can say no single storage solution fits all data. For example, an online retail website has a number of distinct data sets that are all used to run the business. It may include product catalog data, media files like you can say photos and videos, and financial business data as well. Each data set has different requirements, and it's Azure administrator job to figure out which storage solution is best for any specific type of data. The key factors to consider in deciding on the optimal storage solutions are very simple. The first one is how to classify your data. That is the really important thing, because before going to design your storage solution, you must have to classify your data, and according to your data classification you can make the strategy. And the second one is how your data will be used, and last and other important factor is how you can get the best performance for your application. So these are the simple strategies when we are going to implement or when we are going to design our cloud storage solution. So the learning objective for this episode or for this section is very simple. The first one is classify your data as structured, semi-structured, and unstructured. So at level 1 we are going to classify our data, and then we'll propose the solution according to the requirements. The second and other important learning objective is to determine how your data will be used, and last and other important thing is that determine whether your data requires transaction. So these are the parameters which we need to understand in detail. And after that we will go and design this storage solution, we will implement this storage solution, and by that way it will be really easier for any cloud administrator to design a solution oriented storage solution for their customers. So an online retail business has different types of data, and each type of data may benefit from different storage solutions. So before going towards the solution, we will track down the learning objectives. So let's move and get detailed information about data structures and how we can classify our customer data. So let's move now.